Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. I'm your host, and today, we're diving into the world of printer consumables with the Aztech compatible toner cartridge replacement for Brother. If you own a Brother printer and are tired of dealing with expensive OEM toner cartridges, the Aztech compatible toner cartridge might be the solution you've been searching for. One of the standout features of this Aztech toner cartridge is its high yield capacity. You get not one, but two toner cartridges in the package, and each one is capable of printing up to a whopping 8,000 pages at 5% coverage. This toner cartridge is compatible with a wide range of Brother printers, including models from the HL, MFC, and DCP series. Whether you have a Brother HLL6200DW or a Brother MFCL6900DW, this cartridge has you covered. Now, let's talk about the most crucial aspect, print quality. Aztech doesn't compromise on this front. These compatible toner cartridges produce high-quality prints that rival those from OEM cartridges. You'll get sharp text and vivid images with every page. Aztech has been a key player in the printer consumables market for over a decade. Their commitment to innovation, cost-effective materials, and top-notch craftsmanship has earned them a solid reputation. In each package, Aztech goes the extra mile to make sure you're satisfied. You'll find not only the toner cartridges but also anti-vibration mounts, radiator gaskets, and extension cables to make installation a breeze. In conclusion, if you're looking to save money without sacrificing print quality and page yield, the Aztech compatible toner cartridge is an excellent choice. It's a cost-effective alternative that won't let you down. That wraps up our review of the Aztech compatible toner cartridge replacement for Brother. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. I'm your host, signing off. Keep printing, and we'll see you in the next episode.